Hello, I'm having some Jamaican breakfast this morning. Look at it. Look at the Jamaican breakfast. Look at it. It's ackee and roast breadfruit. So, it's a yellow heart breadfruit. And you know when yellow heart breadfruit turn. Nice. Yes. A lot of people want to be Jamaican because they like the food and they also like the culture. You know when you get yellow heart breadfruit turn, breakfast turn up, and like a chocolate tea with the alp on top. Wow, that's a breakfast. So how everybody doing? All is well? Sometimes when I look on Facebook, social media on a whole, and see how Jamaicans trying to tear down Jamaicans, and see that other people are moving to Jamaica, while we as Jamaican, we are beating down the country and we are tearing down our fellow Jamaicans. Jamaica is a beautiful island. A lot of things we don't agree with, but at least strive to make Jamaica a better place. A lot of things we don't agree with government, we agree to disagree. Sometimes people don't understand the meaning of a public figure. When you're a public figure, you got to be humble. You can't come on Facebook, you can't come on social media, browbeating people, cursing people, going on like you're gangali. It's not everything deserves an answer. And not everything people say about you, you're going to react. Sometimes when you don't react, it's better. You know why? They don't know what you're thinking. So if you're an influencer, speak positive. Be humble. You know, God uses humble people. And if you're doing things on behalf of your country, and you're not humble enough, not everything you hear them say about you, you come and give a reaction. Because all what you're doing, the good work, they will look at it as in vain. Sometimes when we read the Bible, it says, don't look for man approval. We have to look for God approval. Because if we depend on men to highlight us, and then when we don't get the accolade and the Kool-Aid and the marmalade, we feel depressed, we feel stressed, we feel downhearted. Also, when somebody is cursing out somebody on Facebook or on YouTube, please do not join their war. Let them fight their own battles. Somebody's fighting and cursing at somebody. This person take it up. And when you look, somebody else take it up. And when you look, somebody else take it up and running with it. And there is no positive as an influencer. Because you are run with people curse. Old people always have a saying, bungla no fear, no lose it. When you see people cursing, be the change that Jamaican want to see. Be the change that somebody want to see. You have to stand up for what is right and stand against what is wrong. If you see somebody cursing out somebody, disgracing somebody, instead of joining the fight and joining with them, stand up and say, I think you could work out this a better way. because we agree to disagree. You don't have to agree with somebody. You don't have to agree. You can disagree. But how do we handle disagreement as Jamaican? How do we handle disagreement? Some come on here threatening people. A threat, you will go to jail. You will end up in prison if you threaten somebody. So if you have a dispute with somebody, try and work it out. Avoid these things. Avoid name calling. Nobody wants to be called names. Avoid name calling. It's a disgrace sometimes when I look and see how Jamaicans treat Jamaicans. Sometimes when I go on the road, people ask, where are you from? I'm from Jamaica. Where in Jamaica? I would like to visit Jamaica. When you spread all the negative about Jamaica, and I like the negatives about Jamaica, how will you expect people to visit our country? And what you expect people to think of us? I went to Jamaica for a month. I did not want to come back. Honestly, I enjoy myself. It's just like a breath of fresh air. I enjoy myself. I didn't want to come back. Honestly, if it wasn't for work, I didn't want to come back. All this time, no light. I still didn't want to come back. That still didn't dampen my spirit because I was born, bred, and raised in Jamaica. I love Jamaica and I love my country. I want to see the better for Jamaica. I want to see that Jamaica is crime-free. I know that it's a struggle with crime and violence. And I see that the Prime Minister is doing. I don't know if it's his best, but he's trying. Very hard to combat crime. I know it's not a one-man task, but even our artists, when you guys sing all these gun songs, the youths are following your footsteps and listening to the music that you play. Sing positive music. If you want to see Jamaica change, sing positive music. Done with the gun song and underneath women. Positive song. Young people look up to these artists and sing and emulate what these artists say. I remember one artist said, book, pressure your book. If you not no education, you're gonna turn into a crook. Those are positive songs. Sing positive songs. Uplift the youth. The youth are the future of tomorrow. Be careful what you say to them, because they will run with it. Change your lyrics and make Jamaica a better place. It starts with the musician. You can sing song that young people can emulate. Young people can run with it. Please subscribe to my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm the mother of a Jamaican journalist. Thank you. I want to see the best for Jamaica and Jamaicans. Jamaicans are foreign. Live good. Love. Okay. Be empathetic. Be considerate. Thank you.